Meaning of eau de cologne.
Eau de cologne.
Eau de cologne.
Eau de cologne.
Eau de cologne. Eau de cologne is a term used to refer to a type of perfume with a citrus-based scent, although it can also contain floral or herbal notes. It originated in Cologne, Germany in the 18th century, and was initially created by an Italian perfumer named Giovanni Maria Farina. Eau de cologne typically has a light and refreshing fragrance that is suitable for daytime wear, making it a popular choice for many people. Overall, eau de cologne is a fragrant and invigorating perfume with a rich history and wide appeal.